Divorce Mediation versus DIY Divorce in Contra Costa County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're going through a divorce in Contra Costa County and looking for a low-conflict, cost-effective solution, you're probably weighing your options between divorce mediation and doing it yourself. Both approaches can work, but understanding the pros and cons of each is key to making the right choice for your situation. Let's break it down. A DIY divorce is usually the most affordable option. If you and your spouse are in full agreement on all terms, like property division, support, and parenting, you can complete the necessary paperwork, file it with the court, and finalize your divorce without involving a mediator or attorneys. But while the cost is low, the risk is high if you're unsure of the court process. Contra Costa County has specific rules and filing requirements, and even small errors can lead to delays or rejections. Mediation, on the other hand, is ideal when you and your spouse generally agree but need help working through a few unresolved issues. In mediation, a neutral third party helps you both reach a fair agreement. Once that's done, you'll still need to complete and file all the necessary legal documents with the court. We recently helped a couple in Contra Costa County who tried the DIY approach, but got stuck on child custody and support. We referred them to a trusted mediator who helped them reach a workable solution. Once they had an agreement, they came back to us, and we handled all the paperwork and filings to finalize their divorce. At Divorce661, we support both paths. If you're fully in agreement, we can prepare and file everything for you at a flat fee. If you need help reaching an agreement, we'll connect you with a skilled mediator and then take care of the paperwork once you're ready to move forward. If you're trying to decide between divorce mediation and a DIY approach in Contra Costa County, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll help you understand your options and make sure your divorce is handled quickly, correctly, and affordably, no matter which path you choose.